This is how the balcony looks. This can be converted into a study. Again, a European style theme has been given. So this is all 100% marble which has been used. This is how the environment is of the whole pocket. I mean how nice and quiet it is. And this is a gated pocket where the floor is located, and then this is the finishing you are getting all across the property. So welcome back to the channel. My name is Nukul Pawar. I am a second generation real estate agent based out of Gurgaon, and we are actively working in this Gurgaon market and आपके लिए अच्छी properties लेकर आते हैं अपने channel पर. And today I am standing in a beautiful lift lobby of this classic European style builder floor which is available on sale in South City 2. Plot size 500 square yards है and you are getting very nice work. मार्केट से अलग है, हर चीज डिफरेंट यूज करी हुई है, कंसेप्ट अलग है, लेआउट डिफरेंट है. सो ज्यादा बातें यहाँ पे नहीं करते हैं. ये कहना चाहूँगा यहाँ पे ये लिफ्ट एरिया है जो आपका कॉमन एक मिलता है आपको पर्टिकुलर, एंड देन यू हैव द लिफ्ट्स ओवर देयर. मार्बल का यूज करा हुआ है ऑल अक्रॉस द प्रॉपर्टी. एंड दिस इज हाउ द मेन डोर लुक्स एंड वी आर एंटरिंग इनसाइड. दिस इज द होल वाइब which you are getting from this unit. फॉयर एरिया में हमने डायरेक्टली एंटर करा है. अपने हर रूम सेपरेटली कनेक्टेड है अपने ही एक ओन वे में. नथिंग इज जॉइंटली बिल्ट अप कि कुछ काम चलाया हुआ है. लेआउट हैज बीन डिजाइंड वेरी वेल एंड एज आई सेड, मैंने यूरोपियन जो बोला है वो ऐसे ही नहीं बोला है. The work which has been done and the builder profile somehow connects to that country, and you will be getting to look that perspective of the builder in this particular unit. So do check out this whole video and then make up the mind. This is the foyer area which you are getting, and behind me is the theme wall, so that while you are entering inside the unit you can put whatever stuff you like. May it be paintings, may it be wallpapers, जो भी आपको जैसा भी सूट करता है आप आराम से यहाँ पीछे लगा सकते हैं, which will be giving the nice theme towards your guest friends who will visit you. Talking about the directions, while we are taking an exit from this main door, this is facing west, and जो आपकी plot facing है वो south है. Again south facing plot, बाहर निकलते हुए west and entry करते हुए east. So this is how the direction is, and you have your decent size of floor, I mean the lift lobby, which is giving nice access of in and out for this particular unit. मेन डोर को कर देते हैं बंद. उससे पहले आपको मार्केट में यूजुअली अभी अगर आप एक्टिवली फ्लोर्स देखें तो आपको येल के डोर सेट के आपको वो मल्टीपर्पज लॉक सिस्टम्स मिल जाते हैं. But to match the theme of every element in this floor, they have used this particular lock. You can say European style or you can say whatever you would like to, but this is matching what they have given. And this is the main door which we have entered upon, from where we have entered upon. ये आपको decent foyer area मिल जाता है. वीडियो आगे जाने से पहले ऐसे I will give you a brief layout कि कहाँ पे कैसे क्या चीज़ बनी हुई है. So पहले आ जाते हैं लिविंग स्पेस में. दिस इज द लिविंग स्पेस विच यू आर गेटिंग कनेक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस फॉयर. डीप डाउन अच्छे खासे आपको एक लिविंग स्पेस मिल जाता है. एक सेपरेट बालकनी से कनेक्टेड है. सो प्राइवेट सेपरेट बालकनी का कंसेप्ट आपको हमेशा बाहर की वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में मिलता है. सो यहाँ पे इन्होंने यहाँ पे उसको लेकर आए उस एलिमेंट को. दिस इज द फर्स्ट बेडरूम. दिस इज हाउ द बेडरूम लुक्स. दिस इज मास्टर बेडरूम and you have attached restroom and the closet. Again एक separate private balcony है. यहाँ से बाहर आ जाते हैं. You have the kitchen in the front. देखेंगे, दिखाऊंगा मैं आपको बाद में. ये आपका स्टडी एरिया है, फैमिली लाउंज है, whatever you can call it. And साइड में आपका पाउडर रूम है. And then you have the one of the bedrooms in that area. This is how it is, and then other two bedrooms are on the other end of the unit. Again आपको एक common movable space मिल जाती है दोनों bedrooms के अंदर में. So जो आपको एक foyer area से separate मिलती है, usually connected से doors होते हैं, but एक अच्छा layout, separate नया something new which has not been much in the market, वैसा कुछ layout है. And before that, अगर आपको layout अभी तक अच्छा लगा है, so do like the video. And also I'll be showing you the outer facade of the unit and the terrace level जहाँ पे कुछ काम अभी और pending है, but you can get a pretty clear picture कि आपको कैसा काम मिलेगा. So I'll also show you that. But now I am walking inside the living space of this floor, and this is how this gigantic space is what you are getting while we are talking about the living area. यहाँ से आप एंटर करते हैं and then this whole space, 3 पार्टीशन करे हुए हैं यहाँ पे फॉल सीलिंग के, सो क्योंकि बहुत ही अच्छा खासा स्पेस मिलता है। 2 एयर कंडीशनर्स हैं राइट साइड में एंड लेफ्ट साइड में, एंड एंटर करते हैं साथ ही साथ सो आपको यहाँ पर आपको एक प्राइवेट बालकनी मिल जाती है। अगेन सारा यहाँ पर मार्बल का काम करा हुआ है, मेड दी वॉल और द फ्लोर लेवल और द आउटर फसाड, you can see these big pillars which has been used. So this is all 100% marble which has been used, and this opens like this. So soundproofing doors, soundproofing slider doors आपको मिल जाते हैं, and यहाँ पे आपका outer facade कुछ इस तरह पे है, and then this is the finishing you are getting all across the property. So after this I'll stand in front of the house and show you how the outer facade looks. AC के output units यहाँ पे हैं, and then that's the window with the restroom. Coming back into the space, this is the view of this beautiful property, and then ये आपका foyer से इस तरह connected है। यहाँ से आ जाते हैं, इसके ऑपोजिट में ही आपका मास्टर बेडरूम है। So we'll go inside and have a look in the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom of the unit, and then you're getting a split AC. Fall ceiling is done at the place, and then you have a private balcony at that area. Restroom is attached at this corner with the walk-in wardrobes inside it, and you guys can have a look of the restroom, how it has been made and developed. You are getting all the American standard fittings in this area, gold plated. तो यहाँ पर जो ब्रांड का यूज करा गया that is of Vitra, nothing less than Jaguar I'll say, and then beautiful tiles has been used at this place. This is how the wardrobes looks. Some finishing is still pending, but to give you a fair idea, this is how it will be looking for hers and his and hers. And then this door closes, and PU matte polish has been done all across the wooden work which you will be looking at, made with doors, made with kitchen woodwork, everything. And then you have the sliding doors right over here for the second balcony. This is the private balcony which you are getting. This is how the balcony looks, and also mentioning this is a gated pocket where the floor is located. There is 100% security guards looking and patrolling 24/7. Power backup will not be an issue because you are getting an in-house generator on the terrace level, which will be catering the requirements of all the residents of all 4 floors. And then you have all the trees around the place, so greenery is not an issue. Security is there, water timing is everything sorted, and RW is also operational in this particular area. Coming out of this master bedroom, we are in the foyer area, and then we'll be looking at the study, I mean the family lounge. I'll explain you what I'm saying. So this is the family lounge of this area, and then this can be converted into a study if you guys require. You can place a wall or partition at this end and it can be made. And the restroom which you are getting is right over here. This is the powder room, and again very minimalized classic work has been done just to match the whole vibe. This is the second bedroom. You are getting wooden flooring in this one. This is the smallest bedroom size in this particular unit. This is 15 by 11. So you can imagine अगर आपको 15 by 11 का सबसे छोटा बेडरूम मिल रहा है तो आपको बाकी बेडरूम के लेंथ कैसी क्या मिलने वाली है. This is how the wardrobes are, and then profile has been given. Soft closes are there, and then looks quite nice. This is how the door is for the back side of the balcony, and then you have the attached restroom right in the front. You can have a look. Now this is the running balcony which you are getting on the back side. तो front side में आपको private 2 balconies मिल जाती हैं, एंड देन यहाँ पे बैक साइड में आपको एक लॉन्ग रनिंग बालकनी मिलती है विच हैज एम्पल वेट पॉइंट्स at that place and that place, and then this is the way towards the kitchen. We'll be covering the bedroom first and then we'll be coming towards the kitchen. This is how the environment is of the whole pocket. I mean how nice and quiet it is, and greenery is all around the area. Park is just at that area, so you can have a look how the park will be. And this is how we are entering inside the third bedroom of the unit. A very nice utilization of the space has been done. ये आपका foyer एरिया है, तो ये आपके बेडरूम का मेन एंट्रेंस डोर है. यहाँ से आपको एक अच्छी एक एंट्रेंस मिल जाती है. यहाँ पे कुछ भी आप वॉल पे पुट अप कर सकते हैं. इजीली एक 6x6 का बेड यू कैन इजीली पुट अप, एंड उसके बाद भी आपको अच्छी खासी मूव अराउंड की स्पेस मिल जाती है. यहाँ पे आपका अटैच्ड रेस्टरूम है इस बेडरूम के साथ में. नाइस फिनिशिंग अगेन at each and every corner, and then this is how the wardrobes are, 1 and 2. I think that will be sufficient. If not, then you can also add some wardrobes around this area if required. Otherwise, I think that will be sufficient. Coming out of this third bedroom, this was the foyer area I was mentioning in the starting of the video कि आपको जो ये 2 bedrooms है, यहाँ पर again एक common area अच्छा खासा मिल जाता है. To be you can utilize the space however, कुछ भी आप cabinets कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. एंटर कर रहे हैं फोर्थ बेडरूम में. इसमें आपको वुडन फ्लोरिंग मिलती है. अगेन नाइस सेम फॉल सीलिंग हैज बीन डन, एंड देन यू हैव द वेंटिलेशन थ्रू दिस शाफ्ट एरिया. राइट लेफ्ट साइड में वार्डरोब्स हैं लाइक दिस, एंड देन 1, 2 and 3, and then there is a single one. The washroom is right over there. Also you are getting 7, 8. Total 8 air conditioners are being provided. Daikin inverter. Coming out of the fourth bedroom. This is how we have covered all the living space, the foyer and the bedrooms. Now one of the good location, the kitchen area is still better. And this is how your kitchen is. A very nice PU polished vintage door has been provided just like this. So it will be giving a nice look. And now you are entering, you have cabinets on both the sides. Again a European style theme has been given to the whole kitchen. You are getting all the Glen appliances pre-fitted. There is a chimney, there is everything already inside, so this is giving the look of a chimney, to be honest, and then not a single particular cabinet एक नहीं बनाया है. And then you have all the storage spaces like this and like this. So this is how the storage has been utilized. Soft close mention करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have like this, and then this is the pantry. It is just like your opening a wardrobe, a chest of drawers or something, but very nicely maintained. My personal, I like this very much. This small window where you will be keeping your dry stuff and everything. And good appliances. And again you are getting a double sink with this provisions and everything. यहाँ से आपको एक बैक बालकनी में जाने का रास्ता है. And this is the whole theme of the kitchen. Again same as I have told you before, PU polished है, matte finish में, so it is giving a very nice textured look जो आपको usually माइका में या फिर आपको नहीं मिल पाती है दूसरी चीजों में. So this is giving that rich look in this particular area. यहाँ पे आपका रेफ्रिजरेटर की स्पेस है which will be easily accommodating a double door very easily. So this is the whole vibe of this particular floor. And अवेलेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं तो आपको यहाँ पर फ्लोर्स मिल जाते हैं, मिडल भी और टॉप भी. सो दिस वाज द होल टूर ऑफ दिस अपार्टमेंट. एंड ऑल्सो आई होप आपने टेरेस लेवल का मैंने आपको अपडेट दे दिया है कि टेरेस में कितना काम अभी पेंडिंग है. सो दैट विल बी डन विद इन अ मंथ और 2. एंड आउटर फसाड और जो इसका पूरा एक यूरोपियन स्टाइल है वो पूरे आपको फ्लोर में बरकरार मिलता है. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this small tour of this particular unit. See you in the next one. Thank you.